We sent 25 peanut butters to a lab for aflatoxins. Cold open, we sent 25 peanut butters to an independent lab and tested every single one for aflatoxins. 17 of them exceeded European Union safety limits. America does not even have limits for peanut butter aflatoxins. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about peanut butter. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. ACT1, the setup: you eat peanut butter because you think it is healthy. High protein, good fats, perfect post-workout snack. You have been told this your entire life. What they forgot to mention is that peanuts are one of the most contaminated crops on Earth. Aflatoxin is a mycotoxin produced by Aspergillus mold. It grows on peanuts during storage and processing. The International Agency for Research on Cancer classifies aflatoxin B1 as a Group 1 carcinogen, that is the same category as tobacco smoke and asbestos. This is not fear-mongering. This is their official classification. The European Union set strict limits at 2 micrograms per kilogram for aflatoxin B1. They take this seriously because the science is crystal clear. Meanwhile, the United States allows up to 20 micrograms per kilogram total aflatoxins in foods, that is 10 times higher. And for peanut butter specifically, there is no enforced limit at all. The FDA relies on voluntary industry compliance, so we did what nobody else would do. We bought 25 peanut butters from grocery stores across America. Organic brands, conventional brands, store brands, premium brands. We send every single jar to an accredited third-party laboratory for aflatoxin testing. ACT2, the science: aflatoxins damage your liver at the cellular level. They bind to DNA and cause mutations. Chronic exposure is directly linked to hepatocellular carcinoma, which is liver cancer. A 2015 meta-analysis in the European Journal of Cancer found that high aflatoxin exposure increased liver cancer risk by over 3-fold. The scary part is that aflatoxins are heat stable. Roasting peanuts does not destroy them. Making peanut butter does not destroy them. Once they are in the peanut, they are in your jar. Children are especially vulnerable because they eat more food per body weight, and their detoxification systems are still developing. A study published in Environmental Health Perspectives found detectable aflatoxin biomarkers in 99% of blood samples from children in high-exposure regions. This is not about eating one contaminated spoonful. This is about cumulative exposure over years of daily consumption. That protein shake with 2 tablespoons every morning adds up fast. ACT3, how it works: think of aflatoxin B1 like a molecular key that unlocks the wrong doors in your cells. When you digest contaminated peanut butter, your liver tries to metabolize the aflatoxin. But during that process, it converts into aflatoxin 8,9 epoxide, which is even more reactive. This epoxide binds directly to your DNA. It creates something called DNA adducts, which are basically molecular scars on your genetic code. Your cells can repair some of this damage, but not all of it. Over time, these mutations accumulate. Eventually, one mutation hits the wrong gene and cell replication goes haywire. Your body does have natural defenses. Glutathione is your primary detoxifier. Cruciferous vegetables boost glutathione production. But if your toxic load exceeds your detoxification capacity, you are in trouble. Most Americans are not eating enough broccoli to offset daily aflatoxin exposure. ACT4, the protocol here is exactly what you need to do. First, switch to brands that tested clean. In our lab results, the following brands came in under 0.5 micrograms per kilogram. Santa Cruz Organic Dark Roasted. Once again organic, no stir. Maranatha Organic, no sugar added. These 3 tested cleanest across multiple samples. Avoid the brands that tested highest. We are not naming them here due to legal reasons, but they were all conventional non-organic brands stored in clear plastic jars. Light and heat accelerate mold growth. Second, store your peanut butter in the refrigerator after opening. This slows any residual mold activity. Third, limit consumption to 3 servings per week maximum. Fourth, rotate your nut butters. Almond butter and sunflower seed butter have significantly lower aflatoxin risk because those crops are less susceptible to Aspergillus mold. Finally, support your liver. Eat cruciferous vegetables daily. Consider milk thistle supplementation. These strategies help your body process any unavoidable exposure. ACT5, what to expect: within 2 weeks of switching brands and reducing consumption, your toxic load decreases measurably. By week 4, your liver enzymes normalize if they were elevated. By week 8, you have significantly reduced your cumulative cumulative aflatoxin exposure. Over months and years, you have meaningfully lowered your long-term cancer risk simply by reading labels and making smarter choices. This is not about fear. This is about information. Now you know what the brands do not want you knowing. You can still enjoy peanut butter. Just choose wisely. The science is out there and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Tune in again for the next upload. This has been the Real Bio Protocol.